Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 1. Lordship, here there was some clarification is going on in the department because some applicant of the commissioner grounds, they were back out or something is there. So the department has intimated to the applicant of this contempt also. So 3 weeks time to be given. At the same time, I was invited to attend a meeting. Of course, over phone, I told I am expecting hard copy today invitation, that meeting. So
Regarding this,
yeah, regarding this,
this is a direction for compassionate appointment.
yes. And among the applicants, I think there are some clarification is going on, which is already intimated to the party also. So I have taken the consent of the leading council. So this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. Learned Counsel, Mr. Im Tim Song appearing for the respondent's number. You are appearing for respondent number. Such and such. Okay, you check, just check up.
I'm 3. Respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3 submits that there is some discrepancy.
Yeah,
Discrepancy regarding the list of applicants for compassionate appointment in the concerned department, and there is some consultation going on within the department for the same, and he therefore prays that he may be allowed 3 weeks time to receive proper instructions in the matter. So he submits that the consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner has been obtained. So accordingly, list after 3 weeks. You are for?
Respondent number 2.
Mr. Search appears for respondent number 2. Yes, after 3 weeks.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 11. Here I'm for respondent number 4.
Respondent 4.
Yes, my Lord. With the consent of all the parties, if this matter can be taken up next Tuesday, that is 25th, yes.
25th. Okay. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4, Mr. Takakichu, who submits that the consent of the other party has been obtained and prays for listing the matter on 25/11/2025. So, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Lucina is present, as well as Learned Government Advocate, Senior Government Advocate, Mr. K. Angami and Mr. I. Imchin for respondent number, I. Jamir for respondent number 5. So,
Lady, there is an interim in this matter.
okay, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, Ladyship. Item number 10.
Yes.
Today I have some difficulty. If it can be kindly listed on Thursday, if my Ladyship can accommodate.
Thursday will be 20.
20 years.
Learned Senior Government Advocate, Mr. K. Angami submits that he has some difficulty in the matter today. He has some difficulty, personal difficulty today to take up the matter. So accordingly, prays for listing the matter on 20/11/2025, which is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So accordingly, list on 20/11/2025. Yes.
Right, sure.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item 8 and 9. I pray for respondent 1 to 5 on behalf of Mr. M.T. Wapong. A 3 weeks time may be granted for filing an objection in the IA.
3 weeks.
3 weeks time.
Heard Learned Counsel, Mr. Sergeant said, your name, who mentioned on behalf of Mr. Im.T. Wapang for respondent number 5 to list the matter after 3 weeks as he would like to file an objection in the IA, in IA 150. These are two separate matters, isn't it? So same prayer.
Same prayer.
Same prayer, okay. So in IA 150 and then the other one will be in IA 152, okay? So file an objection. Stop prayer is allowed, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 12, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Enlong Kumar, Your Lordship. If the matter can be listed after a week, Your Lordship.
Enlong Kumar,
Yes.
his name is not here. Item 12, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
For respondent number?
3, private respondent
three.
number 3.
Okay. Learned Counsel, Ms. Kim Penyer, appearing for the respondent number 3, submits that in the leading counsel, Mr. N. Longcomer, has some difficulties today and accordingly prays for listing the matter when?
After a week, Your Lordship.
After a week? After a week. Stop. Learned Counsel, for the petitioner, Mr. Moa Jamir, is present and has no objections. Stop. List after a week.
Much obligation.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 4, Lordship. And
Item
for respondent
4.
number 2, yes, Lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 1 week time to file my counter. A week time.
You are
Lordship.
for
I'm for respondent number 2.
R2. Okay. In
Private-
item 4.
Yes, Lordship.
And Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr. Sergeant Search, for appearing for respondent number 2, prays for 1 week's time
Yes, Lordship.
to file his objection in the matter. Learned Counsel, for the petitioner, your name? Mr. B. Sinha
MJ Gogoi, Lordship.
is present and has no objections. List after 1 week.
Lordship, sorry. If possible, kindly fix the matter on 30 January. I will be there, Lordship.
30
That's why I'm requesting. Yes, 30 January.
list, don't say 1 week, okay? Just say list on 30th January as prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3, Lordship. Lordship, here I've been informed that the leading counsel wants to file an amended petition. So if this matter can come after 4 weeks, Lordship, I've taken the consent from the other party also.
Okay. Learned Counsel, for the petitioner, Mr. M. Vero, is present. Learned Counsel submits that they would like to file an amended petition and therefore prays for listing the matter after 3
4
weeks.
weeks.
After 4 weeks. Stop. Prayer
Much
is
obliged,
allowed,
Lord.
list after 4 weeks.
Obligement.
For motion from the supplementary cost list, item number 14.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, the impugn order is at page number 33. Lordship, this order was passed by the HTB, customary court, Chalogi.
Okay. Acting in appeal against the village council decision.
Lordship, if we see the page number 33, at the top of the paragraph, a complaint petition was filed with the additional Deputy Commissioner Chalogi by Srimati Swenso on Swenso. The case was subsequently referred to the customary court Chalogi for early settlement. So ADC Chalogi has referred the matter to the TB's court. This is not permissible in view of the judgment passed by the reference court of this honorable court.
Yes. Okay.
So at this stage, let the notice go and in the impugn order may be suspended.
Yes. Lieutenant Counsel, for the petitioner, Mr. Limo Wapang. Stop. The present application under section 115 of the CPC, read with Rule 32 of the Rules of Administration of Justice and Police in Nagaland, has been filed assailing the impugned judgment order dated 27/6/2025, passed by the head Dobashi Jaluki. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that the said judgment dated 27/6/2025 has been rendered in violation of Rule 23A of the Rules for Administration of Justice and Police in Nagaland, and also in violation of the judgment and order dated, where is that
The
page?
judgment in order is at page number 41.
Judgment and order dated 14/12/2020.
412, not 40.
Oh, yes, 4/12/2020, passed in WPC 164/2017 by a division bench of this court. Stop. Para. Issue notice returnable within 4 weeks. Stop. The learned additional AG, Mr. Im Tiong Song, accepts notice on behalf of the respondents number 1 and 2. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for service on the rest of the respondents by speed post document as well as usual process within 3 working days. Stop.
Your Lordship, in respect of respondent number 3, 4, 5, and 6, Your Lordship, we may allow to dig by the dusty service also.
In respect of
3, 4, 5, and 6.
3, 4, 5, and 6. The petitioner is also allowed to take steps on respondent number 3, 4, 5, and 6 by dusty mode, and thereafter to file affidavit in that respect. Stop. List after 4 weeks. In the interim, the impugned judgment and order dated 27/6/2025 passed by the head Dobashi Jaluki in
Lordship, in
the case number is there.
Lordship, in para 14, in my prayer I've mentioned, Lordship, case number. Miss case number, prayer in the bottom.
In Miss case number GA/DBC/40/24 shall remain suspended till the next returnable date.
And Lordship, the parties may be
And the
directed to
parties
maintain.
also directed to maintain status quo over the suit land.
Item number 15.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, this petition is filed under section 483 BNSS, praying for the release of the accused person. The prosecution story of the case is that Asumoto was registered on 16/8/2024.
You have approached the trial court?
Yes,
earlier?
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. We'll issue notice at this stage. The present application under section 483 of the BNSS has been filed, praying for release of the accused A. Kaizo, Kayzazuo, on bail in connection with special case number 40/2024 in narcotic PS case number 14/2024 under section 21 clause C and 29/60 of the NDPS Act 1985. Stop. Para. The learned public prosecutor, Mr. K. Angami, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent. Stop. List the matter. When can you get? After a week?
After a week, yes.
List the matter after a week. Stop. On the next
You know,
returnable date.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
the matter will come out on 24th, since I have engaged cases in lower court. 24th, Monday.
24th may be too early. Today's maybe 25th or 26th.
26th.
Okay, on 26/11/2025, on which date the learned public prosecutor shall obtain the scanned copy of case diary.
Charge sheeted. This is already charge.
It's already charge sheeted?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, okay. Oh, in that case, trial court records will be recorded.
Yes.
Whether it has reached the court or not.
Yes.
Charge sheet has
Yes,
reached the
Your
court.
We started it on 24th, 2024.
Okay. So instead of just say delete that whole line, just say the registry is directed to call for the trial court records, scanned copy of the trial court records from the court of the Special Judge NDPS Act, Kohima.
Item number 16.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, this is also a charged case, Your Lordship.
This is also charge sheeted case.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship.
same order, but the case number will be case, and the name of accused will be Inato Achumi, INATO, Inato Achumi, ACHUMI, and then the case number will be Kohima Narcotic PS case number 4/2025 under section 20 small b, clause small b, clause C, big C, /60 NDPS Act, read with section 61 BNS. Here also, learned PP, Mr. Kiangami accepts notice and list. This one is from Zeniboto.
No, Lordship, here, now he's in Zinebuto. He's in Zinebuto jail.
Oh, but the case is of Kohima.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So same order, same day.
Yes.
Okay, list on 26 and registry to call for a copy of the DCR from the Court of Learned Special Judge Kohima.
Obliged, Lordship.
Oh, 27th then. Both cases on 27. It's a Wednesday, 26.
Yes.
So 27.
Yes.
Yes.
Item number 17.
Delay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That learned counsel for the applicant / appellant, Ms. Kim Peng, stop. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, praying for continuation of delay of
125 days.
125 days in filing the connected MSC appeal. Stop. Issue notice, returnable within 4 weeks. Stop. The learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for notice on the respondents by speed post document as well as usual process within 3 working days. Stop. List after 4 weeks.
On behalf of Lordship.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes, updated status report.
Yes, Your Lordship, last
Paid.
occasion, I was directed to update
Yes.
whether payment was made in 2 divisions. That is, one is National Executive Engineer, National Highways. The other one is Executive Engineer, R&B, Kefri. These 2 were remaining.
Executive Engineer R&B Kifre and
And
Executive
Engineer, National Highways, Kohima.
National Highway. Yes.
Only these 2 remain. Only these 2 remains. But due to the pen down strike, which was initiated by the association,
That has been
it could not be
lifted now,
done.
long time back.
I could not be able to take the update. So allow me some time so that I can update and inform this.
Petitioner can also get instructions from your clients.
As of now, I was informed that the matter is pursuing before the Treasury.
Treasury.
Yes. After that,
Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr.
Leadership, I am representing 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7.
Learned Counsel, Mr. S. Walling is present for the petitioners. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. Moa Imchen, representing the respondent number 5, 6, and 7, submits that he is yet to get instructions regarding the payment of less drawn areas in 2 divisions, i.e., the Executive Engineer PWD R&B Kifre and Executive Engineer PWD National Highway Kohima. Stop. He submits that due to the pen down strike called by the government employees, he could not get the necessary instructions on time, and accordingly prays that he may be given,
After 3 weeks, Your Ladyship.
given 3 weeks time to receive the instructions regarding the payment. Stop. Accordingly, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, respondent number 2 and 3 have not appeared yet.
2 and 3.
Yes. Kindly give us some time so that we can track the proper address of the respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the appellant, Ms. Kim Penyu is present. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. Medovero appears for the respondent number 1. Are you filing any objection?
Yes, Lordship.
And praise for how much time?
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
Praise for 4 weeks time to file a necessary objection in the present petition. Stop. The notice on respondent number 2 and 3 is yet to be served, and learned counsel for the petitioner prays for some time to ascertain the correct address of respondent number 2 and 3 and to take steps accordingly. Stop. List after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? Service of one respondent number 4 is still awaited.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss such present. Stop. Learned counsel, Miss Kim Penyu appears for
Respondent number 2, Your
number
Lordship.
2. Stop. The service report on respondent number 3 and 4. 3 and 4, isn't it?
Yes, but Lordship, respondent number 3 is also.
According to the office note,
Yeah, Lordship,
it
it's
says
3
3
and
and 4. So the office note dated 14/11/2025 indicates that service report in respect of respondent number 3 and 4 is still awaited. So accordingly, list after 3 weeks awaiting service on the respondent number 3 and 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 7.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I received an instruction to appear for all the containers, Your Lordship. I'm entering appearance to Your Lordship. So.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
M. Konyak.
M. Konyak.
Yes,
M. Konyak is present. Stop. Learned counsel, Ms. Livika submits that she has received instructions to enter appearance on behalf
For all
of
the containers.
on behalf of the respondents 1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
1, 2, and 3, and prays for some time to file the affidavits. Prays for some time to receive instruction and to file the affidavits. So list after.
Lordship, make it vacation only because it's almost done. So,
Lordship, let it be 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship,
In 2 weeks, I don't think they'll get
yeah, I
it.
don't think
Impossible.
we'll get any information. So 4 weeks. Lordship.
List after 4 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
For orders from the supplementary cost list, item number 18.
Progress, my lord. Here the present I has been filed for the implement of newly respondent, that is respondent number 11 and 12. Because in the earlier contained petition that is respondent number 5, Chief Secretary, and the respondent number 6 is no longer holding the post. Page 18, my relevant
Page
18, paragraph 3 and 4.
This is such an old contempt matter. Why is it kept pending? for so
Earlier,
long?
Your Honor, they said they filed a review petition, and then it was
Oh,
disposed.
that's why it was
Yes,
kept
yes,
pending.
yes.
Oh,
After
then
the-
now the review has been disposed.
Review dismissed. They're only
Dismissed.
contempt again started.
Are you planning to comply or not?
It is in the process. Your Lordship, in the meantime, I filed affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 9. That is a secretary power. Then that officer was already out. It's already transferred long time back.
Okay. Head Learned Counsel for the applicant, Mr. S. Wali. So the present application has been filed praying for implement of Shri Kesin Yome, IAS, Finance Commissioner to the Government of Nagaland as respondent number 11, and Shri Muhammad Ali Shihab, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Department of PNAR as respondent number 12 in the connected contempt petition number 6 of 2020. Stop. Para. The Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that during the pendency of the present contempt petition number 6 of 2020, the Respondent number 5 has been promoted, and the new incumbent Shri Kesunu Yome is holding the post of Finance Commissioner. Stop. The respondent number 6, Mr. R. Ramakrishnan IS, has also retired, and presently Shri Muhammad Ali Shihab IS is holding the post of Commissioner and Secretary, PNAR Department. Stop. Accordingly, it has become necessary to implead the new incumbents as respondents in the contempt petition 6 of 2020. Stop. Para. The court has considered the submissions of the applicant and the prayer in the application, and having found that the respondents 5 and 6 have been replaced by new incumbents, the petition is allowed. So the petitioner applicant shall take steps to file the amended course title within a period of 1 week.
2 weeks, Lord.
Within a period of 2 weeks from today. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. M. T. Amsong appears for respondent number
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
Okay.
Application disposed.
Item number 19.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here the present IE has been filed. Firstly, that is well pending this contempt petition. Many of the petitioners have been regularized. So I've enclosed those petitioners' name, its serial number, page 71 of my IA. Those petitioners have been regularized. So they are no longer a party.
Page 71.
Page 71, paragraph 4. So they no longer want to praise the contempt petition.
Just so you want their names to be struck off.
Yes. And then I have second prayer, that is next page. Here also some of the respondents they are no longer holding the post. So for that, the newly employed respondents, that is paragraph 6, page 6.
So two prayers.
2 prayers.
One is for striking off.
Yes, my lord.
And the other one is for impleading the new incumbents.
Yes, my lord.
Right, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Wali. So the present application has been filed by the petitioner / applicant. Praying for striking out the names of how many of them?
122.
The names of 122 petitioners from the array of petitioners in contempt petition 2 of 2025 due to the fact that during the pendency of the contempt petition they have been regularized in compliance of the judgment and order dated 13/5/2024 passed in WPC number 178 of 2023. Stop. The names of the petitioners to be struck off have been shown at paragraph 4 of the application. Stop. Another prayer made by the petitioner / applicant is that the respondent number 1, Dr. J. Alam, he has retired, not transferred.
Transferred?
No, he has retired.
My lord,
He has retired from service, and presently the new incumbent, Sri Sentiyanger IS, is holding the post. Stop. Respondent number 2, Mr. R. Ramakrishnan IS, who was Commissioner and Secretary in the Department of PNAR Nagaland, has also retired, and presently the new incumbent is Shri Muhammad Ali Shihab IS. Stop. Respondent number 5, Engineer KVD Nakro, who was the then Chief Engineer PWD RNB, has also retired, and presently the new incumbent is Engineer Swarai Meru, SWARAI Meru, who is holding the post. Stop. Respondent number 6, Engineer I. Thiamaran, who was the then Chief Engineer PWD Housing, Nagaland, has retired, and presently the new incumbent is Engineer Hozezo, Hozhezo. You just check out page 72. Hozezo Shiku, Shikhu, is holding the said post. Stop. All this, no, till E, no?
Yes,
ABCD.
yes.
Okay, respondent number 7, Engineer Pukronizo Kera, Pukroneizo Kera, who was the then Chief Engineer PWD National Highway, Nagaland, has since retired, and presently the new incumbent, Engineer M.Z. Akho, Akho, is holding the said post. Stop. It is therefore prayed that this court may allow the petitioner / applicant to implead the new incumbents as respondents in the connected contempt petition 2 of 2025. Stop. Para. The court has considered the prayer of the petitioner / applicant and finds that the petition is to be allowed in view of the new developments which has taken place during the pendency of the contempt petition 2 of 2025. Stop. Accordingly, it is directed that the petitioner shall file an amended cause title, striking off the names of the petitioners who are reflected in paragraph 4 of the application, and also adding the names of the new incumbents as respondents number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 within 2 weeks from today.
May I please,
Petition is accordingly allowed. Yes.
Lordship, only one submission, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner, whose name has been
Deleted.
in the contempt petition, the petitioner himself has been regularized. So he cannot hold contempt now, Your Lordship. So amendment to that extent also has to be taken, Your Lordship.
Oh, this Zulumong Sangdam, he is also regularized.
He has also been regularized. So this.
So you do one thing.
Yes.
You file a cause title showing only the names of those who are not regularized.
And the name of the petitioner, yes.
And automatically the name also will change.
Yes. So
The
even
name
that,
of petitioner will also change, because this person will also be out
Yes, yes.
from
yes.
the cause list.
So you cannot hold contempt, Your Lordship,
Yes.
against this thing now.
No, but the rest of the petitioners remain.
Yeah, the rest of the petition
the other
remains.
petition
But since the
remain.
petition has been filed in the name of Zulumong,
No, the problem is in the records, his name is shown.
Yes.
So that has to be, that is the only thing. It's only a technical thing. It's
Yes.
okay.
Yes, yes. Since,
It's okay.
yes, my lord.
So when he files the amended cause title, you have to make sure that only the names
Yes,
of
ma'am.
those who are not yet regularized have to be put, and then plus the new incumbents.
correct.
Okay.
Obliged.
For hearing, item number 13.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, pursuant to the liberty granted by this Honorable Court, dated 22/9/25, Your Lordship, the petitioner has placed on record additional affidavit enclosing the written acceptance of apology, Your Lordship. Kindly.
Who is that?
There is the additional affidavit, Your Lordship,
On behalf of petitioner.
on behalf of the petitioners, Your Lordship. So, yeah, it is unequivocally stated that there is no subsisting grievance and that they do not wish to the proceedings.
Apology tendered by the accused person. Please set. Okay, next to the main. Okay, we'll close it then. Otherwise, what was the offense?
The
323, compoundable. Okay. Is third learner counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Your name, such and such. Stop. Also heard learned counsel, Mr. Such and such, for the for respondent number two. For respondent number 2, as well as Ms. Livika, learned public prosecutor for the state of Nagaland. Stop. The present application under section 482 CRPC / section 528 of the BNSS has been filed praying for quashing of the proceeding arising out of Kohima Sechu Z PS case number 8/2023 under sections 323/352/447/448/451 and 34 of the IPC, corresponding to GR case number 48/2023. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioners is that an FIR was lodged. Where is the FIR?
Page 12, Your Lordship.
An FIR was lodged on 5/3/2023 by the complainant stating that the petitioners had forcibly entered the PHED quarters at Science College, Jotsoma, and assaulted certain individuals, assaulting certain individuals while making allegations concerning their involvement in proxy voting during the recently concluded 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly elections. Stop. Upon registration of the FIR, the petitioners appeared before the investigating officer and their statements were recorded under section 161 CRPC. Stop. Subsequently, the petitioners were granted bail by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kohima, on 16/3/2023. Stop. The petitioners submit that the alleged incident arose from political tension following the elections, and the petitioners had no intention to commit any offense, and that they have been falsely implicated in the matter due to the politically sensitive circumstances. Stop. However, during the investigation, the petitioners as well as the complainant / respondent 2 expressed their mutual desire to put the incident behind them and to live peacefully without pursuing the matter any further. Stop. Therefore, the petitioners had also filed an application being IA number 50/2025 before the learned CGM Kohima, seeking compounding of the offences. However, the said application remains pending without adjudication. Stop. Being aggrieved, the petitioners are before this court praying for a direction to quash the entire criminal proceedings, including all consequential actions arising from Kohima Sechu Z Police PS case number 8/2023 and GR case number 48/2023 pending before the court of the learned CGM, Kohima, Nagaland. Stop. Para. The petitioner has also filed an additional affidavit bringing to the notice of this court an acceptance of apology by the house owner.
By the house owner, yes, Your Lordship.
By the house owner of the PHED quarter, who was the direct victim of the offense. Stop. The letter dated 9/3/23 shows that but between the complainant and yourself, is there any agreement? Because this John
yes,
Yim Chunga
yes.
is not the complainant.
Yes, Your Lordship. In the main petition, if Your Lordship may,
Yes. Page
on page 30, Your Lordship,
13.
Annexure D. That is the photocopy of the settlement agreement between the complainant and the accused persons, Your Lordship.
I cannot find page 13,
Page-
1-3.
30 and 31, Your Lordship.
Oh, 13 and 31. Okay. What did I say? The letter dated 9/3/2023, written by the house owner, one Mr. John Yim Chunga, has written that that the apology of the petitioner is accepted, and he has okay, just say the apology of the petitioner was accepted. Stop. The petitioner also submits that an agreement was entered into on 19th May 2025 between the petitioners and the complainant/respondent 2. Stop. A copy of the agreement shows that the parties have settled their differences outside the court and are living peacefully, and that the complainant wishes to withdraw the FIR, and further stated that the assent and authorization of the victims to compromise the matter in the court is given, as they now no longer hold any grudges and have already settled the matter outside the court, and that the victims are now at harmony and completely supports and agrees to the compromise and have no objection to withdrawing the charges against the accused persons. Stop. The learned counsel for the respondent and the learned PP have also submitted that this matter can be closed in view of the agreement dated 19 May 2025. Stop. This court has considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioners and has also perused the pleadings as well as the agreement entered into between the petitioners and the respondent slash complainant, respondent to slash complainant. Stop. In view of the agreement entered into between the parties, and in view of the fact that the matter has been settled amicably outside the court, and that all the victims of the incident have not expressed their desire not to proceed with the matter any further, this court finds that the continuance of the proceedings in GR case number 48/2023 pending before the Court of Learned CGM Kohima would be a futile exercise, as the matter would not end in a conviction. Stop. In view of the observations made herein above, the petition is allowed. Stop. And the petition is allowed. The proceedings of GR case number 48/2023, along with the FIR and as well as the Kohima Statute ZPS case number 8 of 2023 are quashed and set aside.
Lordship, can you add that on the acceptance letter before when you are writing that?
That apology acceptance.
Yes, acceptance. If that request to assure them that such incident will not be repeated, if that can be reflected, because
Okay. Why in that line now where I stated about that apology letter 9/3/23, just add one line. It was also stated in the acceptance of the apology letter that no such incident should be repeated again within their family, and also to give the assurance that the petitioners will take complete responsibility if such incident ever happens again in his family.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.